Hi guys, it's Greg Jr. here, and on today's episode of Fame Out, we are going to do a little bit of trading. We're in a Stanley FX, but we are going to do a little bit of trading. So we are going to enter into the trading market, and we are going to talk about the happenings happening with certain our market women, our mothers, the market women, our sisters, aunties, and then everyone else in the trading industry. So, as you know, we are going to delve into the topic, but before we delve into that topic I'm talking about, let's watch a video. When we are done watching the video, then we'll talk about what we have to talk about.
Bibi haye asa jadifuo a ye wo akra ye mubi wo CM ebi wo agbogloshi ebi wo kantamanto ene ye kan ye ho abom but ade ba ko a haye pa wo ha se ye niama ye ton ewo aye akra ha niama ye ton beans ye ton ambushi ye ton meko ye ton spices ye ton niama se Nigeria for Nigeria abeti omuhu egum ena se ye niama na ye ton enu ena omu atiso no mu dia ba ha no mu ton ade enu omu ye wholesalers ena ye retailers omu di niama no bia ye ema ye ton se enti sa biom omu di niama ne ba omu kasa twa agushi nu egu truck mu omu hwe agushi gu truck mu omu hwe beans ayeton ni 90 cedis mu omu di 70 cedis any 60 cedis na ni baby omu di niama no fi inti asema ha ye kese ye ntimi fa Ghana law che ye nsem na de kakra ya so a ye hu se Ghana law mu se obi efi oho fi krofofo so ba ni niama no odi brewu ema wu ton onu oye wholesaler ena wu ye retailer nti se nu omo fa ye djuma no ena omu di omu usu ameko omu di ku achi omu usu agushi omu di ku achi omu usu amomo se ye market ama se nu wo di pieces so wa ye nto wo di agushi tu wa ye nto nti ye sire mpanifo eni ejon mpanifo se asem we ye sire omu so omu som no omu so asem we ni maye because yet me famra e share ye nsem.
Okay, so just as you watch that, or those were women lamenting, or market women lamenting about them having issues that they think the government should step in and come in because they know they are right. And honestly speaking, I must say I am happy or proud that there are certain people who are exercising their rights in the constitution, or of our constitution, their rights of the constitution. People being aware of certain things that are embedded in the constitution. It's good because it's what's the name? It orders the step of you as a citizen. It makes you aware of the privileges you have, the privileges you don't have, what you're supposed to do, what you're not supposed to do, and what's not. So, to begin with, I am happy after stating their concerns. They highlighted that they know that it is in the constitution, blah, 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 blah. So, with that, I am happy and I must commend that because it's a good thing, which every Ghanaian should know, basically. So, let me give a little bit of explanation to the video you just watched. So, the thing is, the market women, okay, basically, are concerned. Why are they concerned? They are concerned because the items they are selling, beans, no, gari, no, soakings, no, I'm to soakings here, final product, me sorry. Beans, no, gari, agushi, pepper, spices, tomatoes, no more tono. They are being other foreign investors, foreign investors have come into the country and are selling those things. Foreign sellers and yes, foreign sellers. And then they are selling it at low prices. Therefore, the consumers are geared towards those people instead of the Ghanaian citizens. She raised concerns that, Nigeria for no. Big boom Ghanaian no kotona dio Nigerian. Nigerian Why is this happening? Because a Nigerian selling in Ghana, okay, comparing prices between a Ghanaian seller and a Nigerian. For instance, let's take Even phone, let's take a normal commodity phone, because it's one of the things that they are even selling more than even Ghanaians here in Ghana. So a phone, a Nigerian will sell a phone to you at a lower price. Even if he's not going to gain a lot of profit, he's going to sell it to you at a lower price than a Ghanaian. Why? Because if it's to gain any money you have to give that Nigerian, or the Koni Krume Yesikapudu. So in as much as he is not gaining the profits here, when he takes it back to wherever he came from, because he is just come to sell, gain profits, earn money, and go back to where he is. Okay, where he is. So any little amount of money he gains, he sees it to be okay. Therefore, it's making the consumers gravitate towards that cheap things. No, not cheap. Let me not do it like that. Not cheap. Actually, inexpensive. Inexpensive. So the consumers of Ghana are moving towards things that are not expensive. Why? Because the Nigerian market people are selling at a lower price here in Ghana than the Ghanaian people. And she said she's bothered. Why is she bothered? Because it's in the constitution that you're not supposed to. But first off, lower your prices here. And then New Year, Babu doesn't increase the prices. Anyways, that's just by the way. So the reason why I'm saying I'm back with the woman's point is because it is embedded in the Ghana Investment Act. Okay, it is stated clearly that once in Act 27 that activities reserved for Ghanaians and Ghanaian-owned enterprises. Okay, that's the title. So activities reserved for Ghanaians and Ghanaian-owned enterprises. This is one of the Ghanaian Investment Protection Acts. So of the Act 27 of the Constitution, it says that activities reserved for Ghanaians and Ghanaian-owned enterprise. A person who is not a citizen or an enterprise which is not wholly owned by citizens shall not invest or participate in A, the sale of goods or provision of services in a market. First, that's the first one. Second, petty trading or hawking or selling of goods in a store at any place. This is the first one. It says that the sale of goods or provision of services in the market, petty trading or hawking or selling of goods in a store at a place. So, as stated clearly here, if you are not a citizen of the country, you are not having the legal front to even hawk, to even do petty trading, to sell at a marketplace if you are not a citizen. It's at the first place now, in the first place, at the first place, or in or on the first place now, they are legally, you get it. So immediately you are not a citizen of this country, you shouldn't participate in these activities. Yet still, here is the case where these people are being exploited, in the sense that these other people who are not citizens are selling these products. These things they are engaging in, these things they are selling the same thing with them. They are hawking on the street. Omo uton pure nibi, omo uton beans nibi, omo uton gari nibi, omo uton agushi nibi. They are selling all these things. Whereas it is embedded in the constitution that these people are not supposed to operate in these things. It even goes as far as saying the operation of beauty salon or barber shop. You don't have to do it if you are not a citizen. I'll read all through, but even stationery and exercise book, if you are not a citizen, you are not supposed to sell. So all these privileges are for all what? Citizen only. Missing privileges way now for the citizens only. So if you're not a citizen and you are selling these things, of course people are going to be concerned. And also because their profits is declining, so they have to raise their concern. So I'm entreating the government to step in, take action. Because this act was done to help the Ghanaian-based enterprises, help the Ghanaian citizens strive in their businesses. Do you get what I'm saying? Because it will be painful to watch your countryman's business go down whilst a foreign investor or a foreign business is doing well in your own country. That is why if you go outside the country, I know it's part of Ghanaian laws. There are taxes being placed on foreign businesses. For instance, if you're a Ghanaian and you go and start up a business outside, tax is not business, no so. The reason why they are doing it is not to And I'm one person but good business. No, but then it is to what's the name? Kind of discourage consumers from buying from you to make sure that their countrymen or their citizens gain the profits. In other sense, contributing to their GDP. Because who foreigner no about can no fund no crew no be about country back. Till they will place higher taxes on your business than theirs. And these are the concerns of these market women. Yes, the market women are educated and even setting a literate in schools who they don't even know their rights. The market women are telling people they know their rights, so implement it for them. So we are pleading with the government. Step in. I don't know, the legislative board or the board in charge for this thing. Please, we are pleading with you just like the market women are saying. As is embedded in our constitution. You say a saloon dresses or barber shop. Now think a barber shop in the work room had in Nigeria for. Oga say you don't want taper, you don't want taper. Oga, you don't want taper or you don't want fade under. Because their prices are low, they'll go. Now, so you, the Ghanaian businesses, will reduce your prices. Because I know a Ghanaian won't, like, obviously, there's something they say that one about but you know what I mean. One more young if you don't let your friend or your uncle try 9, you won't try to 10, and that's what it means. I'm not sure a Ghanaian will see a fellow Ghanaian's business and go to a Nigerian. No. The reason why they will be motivated to go or be a channel to that instance because their prices are good, they are moderate. Fellow Ghanaian, no. Almost all 200 money Ghanaian, or the price be about toso no. So yes, Remo, if the government steps in for you people, reduce your prices. Gobena yedi hodi on sabis no 1 month on about Gary, spices, agushi, all the things you stated. Reduce it. Let us know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and watch out for more content. Again, turn on, put us on post notifications so that any video we release, you'll be the first to see on your notification, and then you go and watch. Stay glued to Stanley. Watch out for the next episode.